performance reviews remain one of the most important and most poorly executed processes in HR. 95% of managers say they're dissatisfied with how reviews work at their organization. The problem isn't the concept, it's the execution. Effective reviews start with structure. 360-degree feedback captures input from managers, peers, and direct reports. Self-assessments give employees a voice. SMART goals tied to team and organizational objectives provide an objective foundation for evaluation. But the template is only half the equation. The conversation matters more than the form. Managers who prepare with data, goals progress, peer feedback, self-assessments have more productive discussions. Balancing recognition with constructive development areas builds trust. Co-creating a forward-looking development plan ensures the review leads somewhere. Continuous feedback loops between formal cycles prevent surprises.